welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews, brought to you by hollywoodfrodo.com. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be talking to you about this simple but awesome product by Choetech. I've reviewed a lot of Choetech products in the past. They make a lot of chargers and wireless chargers and just great electronic accessories for your phones, tablets, laptops, Macbooks, etc., etc. And this is no exception. This is a 60-watt Type-C fast charger by Choetech. You can see it's a simple little block, very small, easy to take around wherever you need. The plugs fold up so they can be out of the way if you're taking it somewhere. And then around here on the front you have a Type-C input, so you plug your Type-C cable in there, plug the other end into whatever device you're charging, and you're going to get a great charge. And here's what's awesome about this: it's because this is a 60-watt charger, you can charge a MacBook or a laptop with this. If you're charging a 13-inch MacBook Pro with this, because it does support fast charging, it'll charge it in about 2 hours, which is really awesome. And this will support fast charging on any device that supports fast charging. So you can see I have it plugged into a MacBook and it's charging with no problem. You can also see that I connected this to my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and when it was plugged into that, it is getting fast charging because this does support the fast charging technology. And then you can also use this to charge anything. So I have my Sony earbuds, and I've got a Type-C port on that, plug those in, and those charge at they don't support fast charging for the case, it just charges at a normal rate. But this will charge any device that you plug in, it'll charge at the fastest rate that's available for that device. But what's cool about it is it's 60 watts. Because it's 60 watts, you can use it to charge Chromebooks, you can use it to charge laptops, you can use it to charge, again, MacBooks or iPad Pros or iPad Air. You can charge anything with this. All you need is the cable to plug in, and this does not come with a cable. This is sold just as a charger itself, so you need to use the cables you have or buy those separately. But you plug your Type-C cable into here, the other end into whatever device needs charging, and you're going to get the fastest charge possible for that device. Again, 60 watts, so fully compatible with the MacBook products, which is great. You can use it for those, as well as your iPhone, your iPad, your Android phones, your Dell laptop, your Chromebooks, whatever you got that needs charging, this will do it all. Again, very simple product, like I said, not a whole lot else to really say about it, except it works and it's great, so I wanted to let you guys know about it. Again, it is by Choetech, and they are a very reputable company. Maybe you haven't heard of them, but they've been around for a long time. I've reviewed several of their products over several years. They've been making products like this for a long time. They know what they're doing, and they make good quality stuff. So definitely a company that I recommend, and that I would say you can definitely trust to make quality products. Anyway, it is available on Amazon. That is where I ordered mine from. So I'm going to have a link in the description below. You can click that link, you can jump over to Amazon, you can read what other people have said about it, and pick one up for yourself. Anyway, that's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who would benefit from having one of these, please feel free to share this video with them. All those ways are down there. If you have any questions, anything maybe I didn't cover, then feel free to post that in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to respond as quickly as I can. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can keep up with all my future videos and product reviews. Anyway, that's going to be it until next time, so have a great day.